Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app tips and tricks. Recently, 1688 updates their app, which allow you now to source cheap products from China to any part of the world. As a result of this new update, 1688 allow you now to source for freight forwarder or shipping company direct from 1688 app. Contact them, buy your product, send it to the shipping company warehouse address in China, and they will deliver to your doorstep anywhere in the world. And as a result of this new update, I decided to make a video about it and show you on how you can easily find a freight forwarder or a shipping company that can ship your product from China directly from 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source cheap products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So how can you find a freight forwarder on 1688? What you need to do to simply come to the address bar right here. So go ahead and enter the search bar right here and go ahead and type in freight. So go ahead and click on here and type in freight forwarder. Freight forwarder. So specify the country you are taking the goods. Let's say freight forwarder to UK. So enter UK and hit on search. And in a few minutes, you are going to see a similar result. You can see the result right here, which simply means that some of these shipping company here can ship directly from China to United Kingdom from 1688. So if you are interested in any one of them right here, the more you scroll down, the more you see the number of shipping company available for this category. So for you to contact any one of them, simply go ahead and click on any of the links. So I'm going to use this as an example. Go ahead and click on their link. And then once you click on their link, you have their pictures, videos, as the case may be. So just like so, this is freight forwarding, and then you can scroll down right here and check on their details right here. They are verified by 1688, and they have 4.5 star rating, and they have 99.7. You can see how good it is. Now, for you to contact them, what you need to do is simply click on this particular icon right here. Once you click on that, you can start chatting with the shipping company. So you have to make sure you can see a auto update, auto response right here. So you can state everything you need to know about them, make your proper inquiry, and then they will even online. You can have a conversation with them. Okay. Now, let's say for instance you are looking for a shipping company, a freight forwarder from to another country. Like for instance, I'm looking for freight forwarder to Nigeria. Just type in Nigeria and hit search, and in a few seconds you see some of the results right here. So this simply means that all these company here, they can ship from China with 1688 to Nigerian direct. So let's take a look at another company, another country. So freight forwarder to Cameroon, or let's say to Ghana. So hit search, and then it's going to give you a result. These are freight forwarder from China to Ghana that can ship your product. So you can easily contact any one of them. Let's take a look at another country. So freight forwarder to Canada, that's Europe. So hit on search, and then in a few seconds you have them all right here. It's that simple. This is 3 to 5 days express, shipped from China to your doorstep in Canada. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available shipping companies. These are verified and tested shipping company by 1688. All in all, you still have to contact them and liaise with them. Tell them everything about the product you want to ship before you can hire them to ship the product from China through 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.